when we started doing this, we had a client in 2015, 2014. They were in one of those niches where there's like 10 clicks. And if we can get a hold of one of those clicks, that could be millions of dollars. And they had like 4 years of blog content. It was just fantastic. I mean, just these beautifully written pieces, just really, really well done. But they, like most people, just had them sitting in the blog, doing nothing. So they had 10, let's call them 10 like target pages, for the different categories of things or services that they sold. So we just went through and repurposed the existing things. Okay, these 5 are going to link to that page, and these 7 are going to link to that one, and these 2 over here, because it just made sense. That's what they were writing about. But we took them from page 5 plus to page 1 and 2 for all their target pages in a matter of weeks, just by redoing those internal links. They then fired us because we didn't do anything. They're like, well, you got us to page 1, but you didn't do anything. Like, what are you talking about? We put this whole thing together.
Yeah.
But yeah, what was great too is their site had, whatever metric you like. Their DA and PAs were 1s or 0s, or TFCFs or 0s. I don't think we were using Ahrefs at the time. But like all their metrics were nothing. This was just the internal link juice passage between their site and putting just relevant little silos together.
Okay. Interesting. That's amazing. Yeah. I really need to get on it. So, this is like a mini little free consulting thing for me, because I can just ask questions about myself. So
Fire away.
Trick. You didn't know that, Kyle. So
wait, is this even being recorded?
Oh yeah, I forgot to hit it. So like I imagine, like most things that seem overwhelming, you just have to take a bite-sized piece and eat the elephant or whatever. So let's say I have like 200 blog posts and it's kind of not categorized well, and I need to go through and just probably look at the sitemap, get all the URLs, sort of organize them together, and then group them and subgroup them, and then do the interlinking in an intentional way. Is that pretty much the strategy one needs to do?
Exactly. The only thing you might want to throw on top of that is you can run those pages through whatever metrics you like, and you can find the stronger ones, and you can prioritize that way. So people will have linked to, they will have different varying levels of strength. So whichever metrics you like, just kind of run them through that, and then that can help you prioritize like which ones should we be focusing on.